Main objective of this entire demo is to show you how much gain we are getting, right? We are using Pushdown. So how much gain we are getting. So that is one important thing, because we know every time clients ask us, right, why a job is taking more time, can we do some tweaks in the mapping so that it can be faster. So here I've taken a simple mapping. So there are two sources. Everything, the entire, both the sources and the target is present in SQL Server thing. There are two branches. On the first part, one filter applied. Here I am doing one length check, and there is one expression. Here I am doing some upper function. I'm using the upper function, and there is one more part where I'm not doing any filter. I'm just doing some upper function in this expression, and I'm doing a joiner. So this joiner, I am using a normal join over here, and the target is also a SQL Server table. So this mapping, what I did to show you how the performance, how much percentage of performance we have gained. So I ran this same mapping for different data sets in two forms. One is ELT form, which is the conventional form, and the another mode is push down mode. Now let me show you the results. Yeah. So if you see the first iteration which I did, it is for 2 million data. For 2 million data, we can see this is the conventional mapping snapshot. Here you can see that both sources are there, two sources are there. It has, both of them have similar number of records, that is 1.86, and the target has 1.9 million data. So it took 11 minutes. If you see, this is the conventional method. We have not, simple means the entire logic is executed inside Informatica. So it is a conventional method, normal ELT form, and it took 11 minutes to compare. And just please have a look into the target 1918328. Now I ran again with push down. So I enabled the push down optimization, that feature I enabled on the same mapping, and you can see that in the target, the same target actually got inserted, that is same number of rows 1918328 got inserted. However, we can see for full push down optimization, only the targets are visible. Unlike the normal ETL flow where both source and targets are visible, here only target is visible. And the time, it took just 2 minutes 43 seconds to process 2 million data. So if you compare, for 2 million data, the conventional method took 11 minutes, and here 2 minutes 42 seconds. So we can see that there is approximately 400% of improvement. So now 2 million is a small data set. I thought that, okay, let us do with a bigger data set, and we ran the same mapping with different data set. This time we took 50 million data, and we know that in projects 50 million is a relatively big data, and we have normally you will see that in projects 50 million data is present. Sometimes it can be in more than 50 million. So but 50 million we took to check how much time it takes in the normal conventional flow. So here, this is the normal statistics. We can see 49.69, almost close to 50 million records, and it took 4 hours 20 minutes 45 seconds to complete. Now let's see the time of this mapping when push down is enabled. The same mapping, the same target got inserted, the same number of rows got inserted, but it took around 48 minutes, just 48 minutes. Now if you if you compare the 4 hours 10 minutes that data, and over here 48 minutes, you will see here also we can observe around 5% of improvement. And please note that these are not only two iterations. To have a real just idea or real value, we ran multiple iterations, one with 15 million, 70 million. So, and we have seen around 400 to 500% of improvement in all the cases.